Yo, lights out shit. Oh, lights out shit. A rise chicken, you get the Mike Mickens. I spit it like this, girl, get the Charles Dickens. It's real easy. Yeah, girl, you breezy, but real you get sleazy, then you a rap bar, please me. Yeah, come with the shit, yeah, like Wheezy. Looking for Jefferson, yeah, you got the scheme heat. Yeah, for them dollars and bucks, bro. I come in for text though. We from Dexter Avenue, let the tech go. Yeah, how we did it, yeah. Shoot at your shadow, yeah. Shoot your silhouette. I'm a roulette-o. I don't give a fuck, blaze it. Yeah, it's amazing. I gotta pass the blunt to somebody, yeah, it's blazing.
Yo, they told them about blazing all them hoes. Lumberjack came through, yo, water hose in my trunk attached to the wooden bat. Ready to beat on a nigga if he even look back. Yeah, nigga, just how it be. We black and you not, yeah. And we on the map and you not, yeah. And you cold and we hot. And yo, we take the sweater off, temperature drop, fall down like a boulder, crumble all through your village over your shoulder. You looking back at your baby mama, but she done been fold up. Yo, Craddy P, hold up, don't hang that nigga, roll up. Yo, you know, we gotta get the bowl up. You got the dick pipe and the arms are swole up.
Arms are swole up.
Swole up, oh, get your bows up. If you don't, dog, then I might get your girl's toes up. The way I be curling it, don't give a furl, my world. Oh, I don't give a fuck. You could catch a referral, and it will be still. Don't be messing with a nigga that be too real. Oh, 1800 seal. Oh, if you understand, that's what I feel. Going off of 4 or 5 and I'm ill. Oh, plead against your will. Here comes the kill. Get your whole family and your crew to gill. Oh, that's my word for kill. Oh, y'all niggas ain't got no shields, but I got the swords ready to blast, ready to come in that ass. I'm not giving a fuck, dog. Do the math. When I minus your crew, it's only gonna be you, and then minus the gat, then it's gonna be shoes. Ooh, nobody sitting in them shoes, only the concrete. That's what I do. Listen to the air and they tell me what to do. Oh, the LO crew, crazy, that's what we do.
Yeah, lights out shit for y'all. Don't even come to the mall. Told y'all that. Baseball bats. That nigga Craddy P, that nigga Zach. X to the D on the beat.